Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove the alternating colors in Google Sheets. So you can remove the alternating colors like I added in my files here. But before I'm going to show you how you can add the alternating color like this. So, alright, for instance, I'm going to select this sheet and select these cells you want to add the alternating colors, and you are going to select the fill color icon and select alternating colors. So here's the option on the right here. So you can select the styles. If you have the footer, you can select footer here, but in my file I don't have footer and I'm just going to select header only. So this header, sorry, not header. And you can also custom style for the color header, for example, and color one. All right, sorry, for the color one and the color two. All right, just click done. All right, that's how you can add. But that how you can remove the alternating color. You can go to fill color again and select alternating color. So you can select cells and select remove alternating colors right here. Sorry. Select your cells and select your colors and click alternating colors and remove alternating colors. Alright, alternating color has been removed. Alright, that's how you can do it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.